Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here, the weekly candle, it's finished. Is it that one here? That green one here? And what it's indicating to us here in the weekly? Let's zoom it a little bit like that for the picture to be more clear to you guys. As you see, guys, here are the month also been here. So those ones, the 4 weeks, as you see it, that one, the first one, second one, third one, and that one here. So let's say all the month also been here in that zone, sideways or ranging. So there is no power. The only thing, if you look in here, those weeks, it's been pushing down, and those ones, they pushing up. So over here there is a big war between those ones. They believe in the Bitcoin, it needs to go to 10k, and those ones, they said they are not going to sell even if it go to zero. So here in the weekly there is no buying signal, guys. It's still very early for us to say that also we're going to buy, because if you came like that and you're drawing like that, guys, as you see it, it's showing here like a small flag. So here in the weekly it's still very early, and also we're still down in the 200 moving average, guys. So here in the weekly it's still very early for you to think of to enter. And here look what else we have. It's need that one to come to give us a double bottom. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. Remember those things, guys. If it doesn't give us here a double bottom, we are not going to enter. It might that one just a continuation pattern, how I'll show you now, a flag. And that one is a continuation pattern, guys. To draw it, it just came here from that one till here, as you see it. Then you're doing like that, guys. So for long term, guys, it's still very early for you to think of to enter. Yes or no? Because fundamental, everything is still looking bad, guys. But for short term, yes, you can take profit. You enter from here, maybe to 25k or till here. That one is another story. But here in the weekly, it's still very early, guys. And as you see the volume of that weekly candle, it's very low. It doesn't break here that moving average we got here down. I think everything is too clear here. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you, my friend. Are you not yet subscriber in our channel? I know you don't. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Because every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day 2 videos, one after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated what the Bitcoin or crypto market in general doing. Because if you follow the Bitcoin, you follow all the crypto market. It's very simple, my friend. Go ahead and do it. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. You done it? Thank you very much and welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into the daily, guys, to see what is it there. Here in the daily, guys, what else we said before, here about the daily. Look at it, what it given us here. A triple bottom, guys. Look at it, it's very clear here. Did it break the top of it? Not yet, guys. Here in the daily, it need to break here for us to think of to enter till here, guys. Yes or no? And what did I told you before, guys, about that one? What did I told you before? I told you we got here that trend line like that. Yes or no? We are too close to it, but we haven't even reached it. That one is the smaller trend line. The bigger one is that one, the 200 moving average. That one, when it's going to be broken, even in the weekly, is going to be an entry, guys. But here in the daily, it's still early a little bit. It's near, but it's still early a little bit. Yes or no? And look here what we got. Here, the market tried to give us here a double top, guys. Yes or no? Maybe it's going to go till here. But if it go till here, it's going to be broken for us the trend line. So, guys, be careful. It might that one just to come till here, to touch here. Then that big drop, I'll tell you, is going to come to happen, guys. So make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you, guys. It might is going to come till here, then that big drop is going to happen. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to see our other indicator, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you here in the daily. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying. If you remember that trend line also being followed for long, what our indicator saying, guys, we are too close to it. It might now is going to touch it here tomorrow, maybe. Then after that, you're going to see a big drop coming, guys, till down here till the oversold area. So should you buy? Not yet, my friend. It needs to break here. If it doesn't break here, don't even thinking of to enter. By the way, you. I know you are a subscriber. Do you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Everything is too clear here. So here in our indicator, guys, it's still very early for us to think of to enter long here in the daily. And I'm going to come back to you to update you after European market close, guys. Everything is too clear here. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. That one here, yes, us, we are in a very stronger level, and I told you thousands of times, us, we got here a divergence and all those things. Should you buy? And it give you here now a price action, double bottom. If it's breaking here, the double bottom here, you enter long. And the second and the best filter me I have is that one. It's need to come to break for me that trend line. We are near to it, guys, because that one is a triangle like that. It might is going to break up here in the daily, or it might is going to break down and it's going to show us another pattern. I'm going to show it to you tomorrow, guys. So here in daily it's still early, guys. It might that one just a trap. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to see the 4 hours. What is it there to know what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys? Here in the 4 hours, guys, people they been following us, but also we said where we tell you to enter from here when it's breaking here, that candle here, that one here. We are the only one we tell you that one in Saturday, guys. Yes or no? We told you to enter from here. You can find it still in the channel. Now look at yourself. You make very nice profit, my friend. Yes or no? So you enter from that level here, and now here you are in nice profit, my friend. Now here in that level where you are, what is it? Look with me here. Very close, guys. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Yes or no? Last time here it fell down, and now you are in it again. And what it's showing you here, it's showing you there a pin bar. Yes or no? So guys, the people they enter from here, from that candle here, try to protect yourself and take some profit. Protect yourself and take some profit. And I'm going to tell you why. And here what we got again. You see that white one here? That the trend line us we've been following, guys, in the 4 hours. Let me show it to you. As you remember, guys, what else we used to have here? We have like that, a trend line like that. Yes or no? Now here it's being broken, guys. Look at it. It's being broken there. Yes or no? What did I told you me? I told you if it's broken, we will enter long, guys. The first target here at 23k. Second target here at 25k. And now it's breaking, guys. Now it's breaking here. Yes or no? Also, we enter early, now we're protecting ourselves, guys. That's the difference between our analysis and other people, guys. Should you enter now long? Here, you wait in a small correction going to happen in 30 minutes, then after that you enter, guys. But now, there is a correction going to come, guys. We need to be sure that one is a breakout, not a fake breakout. Because that's the difference between fake breakouts and real breakout, guys. Everything is too clear here. Let's go now to see our indicators, guys, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, where we are. If you remember the last video used to be here. Now what it done, he came and breaking for us that one and breaking for us the trend line, the same thing like the chart, guys. Should you buy now? Yes, you can buy now, or you waiting that one to you came back here and to break for you the last high, guys. That's the power of our analysis, guys. Also where we give you to enter here exactly, guys, we tell you to enter when it's breaking here, and here we are in nice profit, guys. And here what we got, guys, look here, even here you got that supply and demand zone, guys. Yes or no? You saw it here, you saw it here, and you saw it here. Now we need to confirm for us maybe to come down and to break for us that level. If it's going to break it, it's going to go higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So us now we are in profit. We try to move the stop loss here. We're protecting ourselves. If something happening, we will be in the safe side, guys. Everything is too clear. It's our other indicator what it's saying, guys. That one here. As you see it, guys, us from here, we tell you to enter, yes or no? And if you remember, we show you got a flag here. Is it in the last video, guys? It's breaking the flag off. It give you the target exactly, guys. Now here, look with me here. Watch me, I told you about that one. I told you we got here, like that, a triangle. A triangle is getting broke here, guys. Look at it. Very clear, broke here. Should you buy, guys? Here in the 4 hours? Yes. In the 4 hours? Yes, guys. Just waiting the correction will going to happen in 30 minutes and we are going there. Then after that you enter long, or you can enter long now. You enter some and you wait in the correction, you enter from down, guys. How is going to be that? Like let's say now the market is at 19,447. You enter from here, and if it fall down again down a little bit, you enter again. But the Bitcoin now is going higher, guys. Remember my word. Everything is too clear? Let's go now to see what is it in 30 minutes, guys. By the way, I know you don't smash in the like button, my friend. I know you don't. Go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button helping us, guys. You done it? Please write with it a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here, guys, look at it. At that level here. That's what me have been showing you guys. Try to take some profit now. Protect yourself for people that enter with us. And we go now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, guys, what did I told in the last video? If you remember, we are the only channel which tell you to enter long. What did I told you here? I told you got here a flag, guys. Yes or no? Like that. I told you if it's going to break here, it's going to go till here. Yes or no? You can find it still in the channel, guys. Just go back to the last 2 or 3 videos. You're going to find all that analysis there, still there in the channel. Now, what should you do, guys, here? You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Yes or no? And yes, the volume, it came bigger, guys. Yes or no? Now, either to break higher or from that level where we are here, you're going to see a big drop, guys, coming. Why? Look at the 200 moving average, guys. What it's telling you? It's very, very, very flat. Also, we've been in a resting level, guys. I tell you all those things before. Look at it here. You see it or no? The 200 moving average is that one, that blue one. Where it's coming? It's coming from up, from a falling downtrend. It might now, the downtrend is going to change to an uptrend, or it might is going to continue down, guys. Everything is too clear? So here in 30 minutes, guys, what should you do? Nothing, guys. I'm going to tell you why. It's our indicator. Our indicator where we are. We are here at the overbought area, guys. Yes or no? So it might from here is going to make a correction till here, then you enter long, but because in 4 hours you are in an uptrend, guys, the Bitcoin is going higher and you don't know the volatility is going to enter now. Out here, if you enter in short, it's too dangerous for you guys. It's need the market to give you a confirmation is going to fall down, guys. Did we got any price action here, guys? Yes, you got here one. Look at it. That one is a wage. If it's breaking down, guys, you enter short, but you need the price to be breaking down, guys, and down. If you are more conservative, you waiting the correction to happen, then you buy, guys, because it will not fall down that much. Maybe just tell the 200 moving average, or maybe it's going to fall down more. We don't know exactly, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the European market close. Bye for now, guys.